A broken view can be used to take a view like this, which is too large to fit on your drawing sheet, and break it so only important details are shown. To break a view, select the break icon in the View Layout toolbar. Select the type of break in the Property Manager and the desired gap size and break line style. Next, simply move your cursor to the area of the view where you would like to start the break. Click once to locate the beginning of the break, then click again to locate the end of the break, and the view is automatically broken. Any dimensions spanning the break will still display the true dimensional value. However, the dimension line will have a visual indicator that it is dimensioning a broken view. To create additional breaks, simply repeat the process while the command is still active. To make any changes to the break properties after it has been created, select or right-click the break lines and make changes in the Property Manager or from the right-click menu.